Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix iPhone apps not showing. Here are the clear steps to fix iPhone apps not showing. First, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power plus volume button. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. Check if the app is hidden inside folders. Open all folders on your home screen to see if the missing app is inside. Use Spotlight Search. Swipe down on the home screen, type the app name, check if it appears. Check App Library. Swipe all the way to the right until you reach the app library. Then search for the app. Drag it back to home screen. If found in App Library, long press the app, then tap Add to home screen. Check if the app is restricted. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure apps are set to allowed. Check if the app is uploaded. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Tap the app, tap Delete and Install to install if it's uploaded. Make sure the app is not deleted. If you can find it at all, go to the App Store and search to install it. Check if home screen layout changed. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset home screen layout. Disable home screen pages. Long press the home screen, tap the dots at the bottom, ensure all pages are checked. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to install any available updates. Update the app. Open the App Store, profile icon, update all to refresh the app version. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.